Yo, killer. Ninja man gonna chop the pussy all in the boy that time. Yo, with the rats feet, you can't come nothing, man.
Easy, you may have to the violence now, I'm going to win. So you never have a court case and you can't sue the boy.
No, I know so never sue him, but y'all go out on the post up on TV, call up my name and the parade and everything. So, yo.
Ele, I wish if you take off him, you know.
Killer, let me tell you something. I'm not even want to shoot the pussy. I chop, I'm going to show you something. I'm really bad man. Yo.
Go film then, Rasta. Go film. I'll make him get you.
L.A. Lewis, you're too blood clot lie. You're not going nowhere with no cutlass. You're not doing nothing. Because we should not come tell the people them you know say. You have a date for we go to court. So you come, you find a new thing to come with cutlass. That not working at 2016. No man now use no cutlass. So you just kindly go on where you go with your cutlass. It's you, my name Ninja. I don't play sword fight. So you know about that talk about no cutlass around me. If you ever come anywhere with the number one, I'm not go residential here, I go hold up argument. I mean, I no time to call your name when nobody now look. I not call my name when them now look. I mean, when me see a little thing them, I just answer and say what me for say. And done with you there, so because I have bigger things for my head. You don't have no sense. You're dumb bad. Stop going like you're bad. You're really dumb bad. So stop impress people. You can't sue nobody, you can't do nothing. Me do answer this evening. I say, Spooky, it's your boyfriend. Your girlfriend should say. And you can't do nothing about it. Me want to see. See, the year just start. Now we in April. If you think that you April is a time fool there, you can't time fool month. You can't fool up with blood clot people them. Stop it, man. And you go tell me about suck my mother. My mother dead. I mean, I go tell you to suck your mother. Because I have respect for your mother. So you can kindly say what you want to say. So you run out of steam. And you and I know say, you don't bad like me boot heel. You do not bad like me toenail when me cut off and throw away. You doing bad like the pedicure them when me done do my nails. Listen. Stop it. Stop impress people. You run out of steam. You understand? So you hear something other business and you this and that. Can't go and talk. Because I don't care about that. This is what I tell you. You're down bad, stop going like you're bad. You can't sue nobody, stop going like you can't sue people. Because Poogie is your girlfriend.